Dear students, welcome to the session of three-dimensional geometry. So in this session we will discuss some previous questions which are given in the JEE mains and advanced exams. Okay, so this topic is very easy and a interesting one, important topic. Okay, right. See this problem. If the line x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 is equal to z minus 2 by 4 meets the plane x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 15 at a point P, then find the distance from origin to P. This is the problem. Suppose this is the plane. A line is intersecting the plane at a point P. Now find out the distance from origin to this point. If you know the 2 points, you can find out the distance between them. We have a clear formula. So now here we have to find out the point, coordinates of this point. That is the main problem. What is the given equation? X minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 is equal to z minus 2 by 4. This is the equation of the line. What is the equation of the plane? X plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 15. This is the plane equation. We have to find the intersecting point. So find out the general point on the line, parametric form. So now try to write the coordinates of general point on this line. If that line, the point lies on the plane, with respect to that we will get some constant. So the given equation is x minus 1 by 2 is equal to y plus 1 by 3 equal to z minus 2 by 4 equal to some constant. So from this we can write x equal to 2t plus 1 and y is equal to 3t minus 1 and z equal to 4t plus 2. Now the coordinates of point on the line, this is the parametric form of the otherwise general point on the line. Now let's take this p x comma y b y x y z be any point on the line. Let it be 2t plus 1, 3t minus 1 and 4t plus 2. So clearly this is the general point on the line, but we have to find out the point which lies on both the line and plane. If the line on the plane, this is the line on plane, clearly this is the equation of the line, this is the equation of plane. We have to find out the point of intersection of these two first of all. Okay, find the general point on the line. So let it be some constant. From this we can write the x, y, z value in terms of t, that is x is comma y comma z is equal to, now x equal to 2t plus 1, y equal to 3t minus 1 and z is equal to 4t plus 2. This is the general point on the line. Okay, general point means it may be like anywhere, but we have to find out the contact point. If this point lies on the plane, let us take the equation of the plane be 1. If P lies on the plane 1, then what will happen? Just replace x, y, z by these three terms in the equation 1. So that means 2t plus 1 plus 2 into 3t minus 1 plus 3 into 4t plus 2 is equal to 15. 2t plus 1 plus 6t minus 2 plus 12t plus 6 equal to 15. Now, so 12t plus 6t, 18t plus 2t, 20t. Next, 1 minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 plus 6 plus 5, so 15 minus 5, 10. From this t is equal to 1 by 2. With respect to 1 by 2, we will get the coordinates of P. Now the coordinates of P is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1, 4 into 1 by 2 plus 2. Now this is equal to 2 comma 3 by 2 minus 2, that means 1 by 2, comma 2 plus 2 4. These are the coordinates of point P. We have to find out the distance from O to P. Therefore, the length OP is equal to required length OP equal to 2 square plus 1 by 2 whole square plus 4 square. That is equal to square root of 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 16. That is equal to root of 20 plus 1 by 4. That is equal to 81 by 4. 81 by 4, that means 9 by 2. This is the length from origin to the point of intersection of the line and plane. Okay, see this problem. So the given lines are these two. We have given that these two lines intersecting at origin R. Then we have to find out the reflection of R with respect to xy plane. That is the problem. So the given equation of these two, we have to find out the intersect point of these two. So the first equation equals some constant. With respect to t, write down the general point on this line. So from this we can write x is equal to t plus 3, y is equal to 3t minus 1, z equal to minus t plus 6. These are the coordinates of a general point on this line. If this point lies on the line, we will get intersecting point. Okay, so substitute x, y, z in this equation. Then we will get, substitute x equal t plus 3, t plus 3 plus 5 by 7 is equal to y equal 3t minus 1, 3t minus 1 minus 2 by minus 6. T plus 8 by 7 is equal to 3t minus 3 by minus 6. Okay, so now just take minus 3 common, then we will get 1 minus t by minus 6. Minus minus get cancel, 3 2 ja. Then from this we can write 2t plus 16 is equal to 7 minus 70. So here 90 is equal to 7 minus 16 minus 9. T is equal to minus 1. Now substitute t equal to minus 1 here. Then we will get x, y, z is equal to minus 1 plus 3. 3 into minus 1 minus 1, minus of minus 1 plus 6. That is equal to 2 comma minus 4 comma 1 plus 6, 7. These are the coordinates of R. We have to find out the reflection of this point with respect to the xy plane. If suppose this is the xy plane, so above xy plane the z coordinate is positive, below the xy plane z coordinate is negative. Here if suppose this is the position of the point 2 comma minus 4 comma 7 R, here the reflection of this with respect to xy plane, suppose this is R dash, here there is a change only in the symbol of z coordinate. On the above xy plane the z coordinate is positive, below xy plane z coordinate is negative. Now the reflection of this with respect to the xy plane is 2 minus 4 minus 7. Okay, see this problem. The perpendicular distance from origin to the plane containing these two lines. We have to, first of all, we have to find out the plane equation. After that, distance from origin to the plane, we know that. So how to find the equation of the plane? These two lines lies on the plane means the drs of the lines 3, 5, 7, 1, 4, 7 are the drs of any two lines on the plane. That means these two lines are lies on the plane, and the points minus 2, 2, minus 5 and 1, 4, minus 4 are also lies on the plane. Understand? So here directly we can write the equation of plane. If 2 points lies on the plane and a point also there, we can write the equation of plane by using this formula. What is that? The determinant of, here the drs of this line is 1, 4, 7. drs of this line is 3, 5, 7. So take any point here, minus 2, 2, minus 5, 1, 4, minus 4. So take this point, any point minus 2, minus 2, 2, minus 5. Here the equation of plane passing this point and containing these two lines. So that means x minus x plus 2, y minus 2, z plus 5. So find out the determinant. Clearly these are coplanar. These 2 points lies on the line and point also lies on the line. Okay, P is the general point. P, A, B and C are coplanar. Therefore, from this we can write x plus 2 into 35 minus 28 minus of y minus 2 into, so 3 into 7 minus 1 into 7, 21 minus 7 plus z plus 5 into AD minus BC, 12 minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, now 35 minus 28, 7, x plus 2 into 7, 21 minus 7, 14, minus 14 into y minus 2, 12 minus 5, 7 plus 7 into z plus 5. So now we can take 7 common, then we will get x plus 2 minus 2 into y means minus 2y plus 4 plus z plus 5 equal to 0. So now x minus 2y plus z, here the constant value is 2 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 11. This is the equation of plane containing these two lines. Now we have to find out the distance from origin to this line. So now the distance from origin to the first line is the perpendicular distance. Distance means the perpendicular distance from origin to equation 1, means the plane, is mod c mod 11 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. That means 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is equal to 11 by root 6. Understand? This is the how to find the distance from origin to the plane. If you know the plane equation, you can find out the distance by using the formula mod d by root of a square plus b square plus c square. That is the distance from origin to the plane. See this problem. If the angle between the line and plane is cos inverse 2 root 2 by 3, what is the value of k? Suppose this is the position of the plane. Suppose this is the line. We have to find out the angle between the line and plane. So we have no formula for the angle between the line and plane. We have formula for two lines. So here, suppose this is the one of the normal to the plane. We can find out the angle between the line and plane, these two lines. But we have to find out this angle. If it is theta, what about this? 90 minus theta. We have to find out cos theta value. Just we can find out the angle between these two. What are the drs of the line? Yeah, the drs of the line are drs of the line 2, 1, minus 2. Drs of the normal to the plane 1, minus 2, minus 1. Drs of the normal 1, minus 2, minus 1. Minus k, sorry. These are the drs of this line, these are the drs of the line. Understand? So we have given angle between this one, theta value, that means cos theta equal to, so given that cos theta equal to, cos theta is equal to 2 root 2 by 3. This is the given data. You have to find out k value. Understand? Cos of this angle equal to, you know the formula for cos theta, a1, a2. What is the formula for cos theta? Cos theta is equal to a1, a2 plus b1, b2 plus c1, c2. If a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c are the drs of the two lines, this is the formula. Root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So cos of theta, this is the part, but in here the angle between the line is 90 minus theta. So cos of 90 minus theta, cos of 90 minus theta is equal to a1 a2 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 2 minus 2 into minus k. The root of a square plus b square plus c square, a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. So here this is nothing but sin theta, but we have given cos theta equal to 2 root 2 by 3. So now from this, what is sin theta? Sin theta is equal to root of 1 minus cos square theta 2 root 2 by 3 whole square, that is equal to 9 minus 8 by 9, that is equal to 1 by 3. Sin theta is equal to 1 by 3. Now the value of this is 2 minus 2, cancel, then 2k is there, and root 9, that means 3, this is equal to root of 5 plus k square. Now substitute sin theta value. Here the value of sin theta is 1 by 3, that is equal to 2k by 3 into root of 5 plus k square. 3 get cancelled. Now squaring on both sides, you will get 5 plus k square is equal to 4k square. 5 is equal to 3k square. K equal to plus or minus root 5 by 3. Understand? Actually you can find out the angle between the lines, but here we have to find out the line and plane. So clearly this is a right angle triangle. You can apply formula for this angle. That's it. We have to find out theta value. So cos theta is equal to 2 root 2 by 3. Then sin theta 1 by 3 substitute in this. You will get k equal to plus or minus root 5 by 3. Okay. So here the line, these two are coplanar, find k. So first of all observe that what is the point on the first line. What is the first line? X minus 2 by 1 is equal to y minus 3 by 1 is equal to z minus 4 by minus k. This is the first line. What is the second line? X minus 1 by k is equal to y minus 4 by 2 is equal to z minus 5 by 1. These are the two lines lies on a plane. Okay, so here we have to find out the three lines, DRs of the three lines. If the three lines DRs if you know the DRs of three lines, they are coplanar, so determinant equal 0. So observe that here the coordinates of a point on this line is passing through some point 2, 3, 4 and having DRs 1, 1, k. Let us take equal to a1, b1, c1. This is equal to x1, y1, z1. And from second line, this line is passing through 1, 4, 5 and having DRs k2, 1. Let us take this is equal to some point B, this is equal to some point A, let it be x2, y2, z2. Here DRs of the first line, DRs of the second line. With the help to these two, we can find out the DRs of third line AB. Now DRs of AB is equal to DRs of AB is equal to x2 minus x1, 1 minus 2, y2 minus y1, 4 minus 3 and z2 minus z1, 5 minus 4. That is equal to minus 1, 1, 1. These are the DRs of the third line. Here now AB and this are coplanar. So for coplanar, determinant of these three vectors equal 0. For coplanar, determinant of minus 1, 1, 1. Here the DRs of this line 1, 1, k. These line DRs are k2, 1. That is equal to 0. So find out the determinant. So here the determinant value is minus 1 into AD minus BC, 1 minus 2k. Next minus 1 into, so leave column and row elements, then 1 into 1, 1 minus k square plus 1 into AD minus BC, 2 minus k equal to 0. Therefore, minus 1 plus 2k minus 1 plus k square plus 2 minus k equal to 0. Therefore, k square plus k plus 1 is equal to 0. K square plus 2k minus k minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 and plus 2 get cancelled. Therefore, this is equal to 0. Therefore, k into k plus 1 equal to 0. So, k is not equal to 0. Therefore, k is equal to minus 1. Otherwise, k equal to 0 or minus 1, no problem for this. K equal to 0 or minus 1. When the two lines lies on a plane, that means these two are coplanar. The values of k are 0 or minus 1.